Everybody, you got Chico here. It's another week, October the 27th, the week of Halloween. At the end, on the 31st, we're going to celebrate Halloween. So hopefully the markets won't be spooked. In fact, if anything, today it's the opposite. The stock market is up a tremendous amount. It's up like, as we speak, almost 1.7% as we speak for the NASDAQ. Everything is just up. Yeah, it's just insane. Like, I can't believe, like, how high everything is climbing, and yeah, there's just like no stop, no slowdown. There's a little bit of optimism about the trade and optimism about as we progress into the third week of earnings season here, with the big tech players starting to report this week, such as Google. You got like Facebook, the Amazon, Microsoft, all the big, a bunch of the big dogs this week. And today, we'll talk a little bit more today. But before that, here's AMD. AMD is like at an all-time new record high, 256, unbelievable. It dipped a little bit in the morning, but it bounced back. People are very optimistic about AMD, and it's all the partnerships and deals. It's been brokered in the news that their chips are going to be used for quantum computing potentially, so in the upcoming year. So that helped lifted it, churn even more momentum last week, and that momentum is carrying through this week. And then we got a high flyer Robinhood, which dipped pretty hard until, I would say, relatively hard to the 120 mark, after there was like pessimism about the trade war, and now it's 146, which is like really up there. I guess some analysts today has up the price target. Here it is, Compass Point up the target on the share 161 from 105. But sometimes a price target up does not really move the stock in that case. But for whatever reason, people are very excited about this. I think most of it, according to the article, has to do with their predictions feature, which is continuing to grow at like incredible rate. It's just like bananas. And then we got NXP. I just want to point out NXP will report earnings in the morning on the 28th. Today's the 27th. Cadence is going to be after the bell. We'll make a play for Cadence. We got burned last time for trying to sell a call option on this one, but I think given how hot everything is, and for Cadence, I'm willing to do another one. The premiums are pretty good on it. And then the other news before we go to further into Cadence is Qualcomm. Qualcomm finally gets like a strong pop, and it's because and according to the news, it's going to have some AI chip. It's in the race, for AI servers, and it's going to be, we don't know the details yet, but according to the article, it's like saying it's going to be trying to take some share from NVIDIA and AMD. Like, whether that's true or not, I don't know, but it's big news. So, okay, let's go to our platform. Here we are. So, yeah, Cadence. See, we're around at 351 here, 351, and they're willing to give us around 275 to 350 for a call contract, strike price of 385. So I think I'm going to go for that. See if we can sell it for maybe. Gotta sell it, not buy it. On. So we'll do that. We'll sell one contract, and we'll wait for after the close of the bell and see where that takes us. And if Cadence does not move up enough, then lucky us. I'm going to set it at $3 and wait for that to see that will go through. Just one contract here, not 10. So yeah, that's what we got today. Tomorrow we'll decide on what we're going to play for. I know SoFi was one of the hot stocks these days. They're going to release earnings after the bell tomorrow. But the real action is like too many choose from type of deal is Wednesday. Wednesday, that's when things really steamroll or really get rolling, not steamroll, but really get rolling. So, okay, yeah, I'm excited for this week. Hopefully we'll press hard, and that all this enthusiasm that's driving up the market is going to hold where it is, because I can't imagine it anytime this week moving up significantly higher, and I would think like it takes a lot to for any tech stock in the AI related to go further. It would really need some good news. But hey, there's a lot of good news these days. There's a lot of partnerships about and deals about in the future. You know, money that hasn't been spent yet, deals that are way down the road, and it's just a very euphoric time. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna close the video now. Okay, it looks like we sold the contract, by the way, before we close. 305 is the price that we got for it, and so that's not bad. And if cadence doesn't go in anywhere or not high enough, hopefully we pocket all that. It would be like $300 and some, $305, up to $305. All right, you all take care. I'll catch you tomorrow.